All right, y'all. Actually, take that back. 3, 2, 1. Hello, welcome everyone to another fabulous vlog. We're here still in Italy, today in a new city. We're in Milan, Italy. What a beautiful city it is. Look where I am right now.
That's pretty good.
Today, we're gonna see all the sights, all the sounds. We're gonna try some amazing food. We're gonna speak to some of the locals and just have an all-around great day. I hope you join me, and I'll see you soon. Let's get it. But yeah, y'all, welcome to freaking Milan. Okay, we got a lot of birds right here. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. I feel like I'm gonna get pooped on here. But some cool factoids about Milan, y'all. It is the second largest city in Rome. Oh, sorry, in Rome. Second largest city in Italy. It is the capital of the Lombardy region. It was founded by the Celts in 600 BC, and it was actually called Mediolanon, and which means basically middle of the plain. It's got a population, the city itself about 1.4 million, the metro area about 4.4 million. All right, how do we enter here? Y'all, we got a really nice seat. Sun glare is crazy, but we got a great seat. The sun is glaring in my face right now. They have hamburger. Oh, should we get a hamburger? I can go for a burger, actually. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Y'all, the food is here. Smells delicious.
Oh God, it's so good.
Burger's fantastic. Again, the bun is really good. Love the crispy bun. The patty is juicy. Good.
So obnoxious with this. So annoying.
Y'all see that? Dude just came up to me and said, so obnoxious, so annoying. It's not even on you, man. That was amazing. All right. That guy is not having a good day. I've never had that happen. I think maybe he thought I had it on him. I don't have it on him. So a lot of these kind of streams, that's never happened. Not one person's ever said that to me. I would have loved to talk to him. He literally shocked me. You know what? These days, like, I'm not putting up with anybody. Like, I would have loved to come talk to him, but he just walked away. That's crazy. Not a fan. He's not a fan of mine. The worst has been, I've gone into a couple of stores where they've said don't stream in the store. In Barcelona, I mildly feel bad. He and his partner, I think, were sitting pretty far away from me. I don't know if he thought that I had the camera pointed at them, but he saw that I had it facing me. His table is not even close to mine. Like, it is a solid 10 feet away, 8 feet away. Like, it's pretty far away. Is he saying he can hear me? And it's loud in here. Like, it's actually pretty loud. So, like, how did he even hear me is the question. Do you speak English? Yes. Did I annoy you with the stream? Is it annoying? No. For some reason, they were sitting and they came by and they said I was super annoying. Yeah. It's on me. Yeah. Okay. All right, good. Thank you. All right, thank you. Yeah, I asked them if it was annoying. They said not at all. Excuse me. Can you take a photo of me? Yes. You don't have to do anything. Just point it at me. Or okay. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Do y'all mind if I put you on stream? You guys seem very, very nice. I'm sure they would. Yeah. Okay. Well, welcome to Sahranisworld. That's my channel. What are your names? Alessandra. Sara. Chiara. Okay. And you're from a town called, one more time, if you don't mind. Chevenna. Yeah. And then what are you doing here? Just for fun? Are you? A trip.
Yeah,
okay.
We're doing an Erasmus project. Yeah.
A what?
An exchange student.
Exchange student. And what are you studying for school?
We will study the languages high school.
Languages.
Spanish,
Okay.
German and English.
What's that? Law? Okay. Do you know what kind of law you want to do? Like family law, civil law? Like, do you know? You don't know yet?
Where are you from, sorry?
So I live in California. Yeah. Have you guys been to the U.S.?
Many friends of ours are in the U.S. They do the exchange here, there. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, it was nice meeting you all. Have a great day. See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, we got some music here.
And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree they'll be innocent out of peace.
Are you guys with her? You guys? Oh, nice. Oh, nice to meet you. You're singers too? 'Cause I sing as well, but not nearly as good as you. I'm not even on the same level, but you're fantastic. Yeah. Are you okay to chat for about 5 minutes? So welcome to my channel. It's called Sahranisworld. How did you get started and what got you into singing? Because you're really good.
So I started when I was a child and I'm keeping
singing.
Yeah. By the way,
But
your
I
English is
want to
great
sing.
when you're singing.
No.
Yeah, it is. I was telling them.
Yes,
like,
but
you,
it's not real. But I love to sing here.
yeah, and you're really good.
Take
How long have you been
contact.
doing this, singing like in public? How long have you been doing that?
How long?
For how long, yeah.
6 years. 6 years or
years.
7.
Do you ever get nervous?
Yeah.
You do? It
Yeah.
doesn't show.
Yes, always. I'm always nervous.
What is your favorite song to sing?
Maybe someone like you.
Do you have? By the way, do you have any business cards or
Yes,
social?
of course.
Y'all, here we go. Well, this is Max and Elena in the flesh.
Oh, fantastic.
There we go. And here's their business card. Here's their information. It's nice meeting y'all. Yeah, very nice meeting you. Yeah.
Thank you so
Hey,
much.
yeah.
Stay with me.
Absolutely. Best of luck. Yeah, see you. Bye-bye. Awesome. They're very nice.
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light. And what it's like to feel your pain.
Hi, do you speak English?
Yeah.
Is there anything down that way that's interesting? I'm doing like a tour of the city.
Yeah. Turn right,
Okay.
and you can see Darsena,
What's Darsana?
the river,
River. Okay.
River,
Yeah.
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 and
Okay, that's good.
Navigli.
So basically, straight ahead to where that beautiful looking
Yeah.
arch is, take a right.
Right.
And then you'll see a river.
Yeah.
And that's some interesting stuff there.
Yeah.
Okay. That's helpful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good night. This is the river she's talking about. It looks nice. You get the sunset happening. Oh, we got a little bit of a market as well. We were just in the Duomo Cathedral area, the Galleria as well. I'm gonna go back there and see it at night. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing at night. Oh, look at the river down there. This is nice. Y'all, there's more here. Ooh, she was not kidding. She did not lead us astray. Look at this. We just discovered a whole area here. Okay, this is awesome. A canal with a bunch of restaurants. Whoa, this is beautiful. I'm excited. Look at this. Love this. And oh man, the pink sky, the pink and orange sky against the backdrop there. This is a beautiful little scenery here, situation. You know what? If there's hookah here, I may have to partake, man. This is a vibe right here, y'all. This is a vibe. Wow, look at the lighting, y'all. This is insane right here. Oh, this is pretty. Y'all, this is too pretty. Hello. Ciao. No, you can go ahead. You can go ahead.
We're just having fun and.
Do you want me to take a picture of y'all?
Yeah.
I can take a picture if you want.
Yeah, thank you.
Get in?
It's not funny, it's stupid picture.
It's just stupid.
You want a stupid picture?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, if I'm in it, it's gonna be stupid. Can I be in it? Can I be in it? Okay, here we go.
Okay, perfect.
That's a little bit too close.
Oh shit, my shit.
Okay, hold on. Hey, is this good?
No, I'm out.
My hand doesn't extend any further.
Make one with your.
Okay. All right.
very much.
Have a good
Where are
night.
you from?
California.
Oh, nice. What
Yeah.
about?
Where are you from?
We're from Italy, but around
Okay. What are your names?
Francesca.
Valentina.
I'm Vicky.
Wow.
And you?
Sarani.
Sarani.
Means dreamer. Yeah. What's there fun to do around here?
Well, we actually just had lunch. It's been a long lunch.
Is there a hookah place here? Hookah? Hookah. Like smoke place.
Shisha place is there, maybe.
Right
There's
here?
a shisha place there. I don't know if it's Luca names, but
Okay.
it's there.
Okay. I'll have to try it. It's nice meeting y'all.
You too.
Have a good night. Bye. Ciao. Where are you guys from here in Milan?
No, I'm from Naples.
Naples.
Yeah.
Tell me what's so great about Naples? What should I go see?
People.
The people. I've heard some of the nicest people are from Naples. That's what I've heard. And what do you do?
I'm a songwriter, and I
You said you're a writer, you said? Okay. What do you write?
songs for other people.
Oh, wow. Okay. I like that. What about you? You're like, it's complicated. Stop asking.
Yeah.
You're like, let's just leave it at that. Do y'all travel a lot?
Yeah, I do.
Where have you?
It is not helping.
Yeah.
And Porto.
Don't go.
The best.
Oh, I've been to Porto. I love Porto. I can't wait to show them Porto. It's a really nice city. People are friendly too.
Yeah.
Oh, last question. What is it like to date here in Italy? I guess in here. Is dating easy? Is it difficult? What's it like to date?
It's pretty much easy. It's easier in the south.
Everybody's doing online dating now. Nobody actually. Do people meet in real life anymore, or is it all online now? I feel
but
like
in south is different. Tinder in south is like if you have Tinder,
you just want to hook up.
hacker or a whore.
Yeah.
I was banned on Tinder.
No. What did you do? You got banned on Tinder. It's got to be a good story. I'm gonna sit down. Hold on. What did you do to get banned on Tinder? Give me a second.
Basically, she did a fake account.
Oh.
She's a friend.
How did you tease this friend?
We did like a fake account with the picture of a guy, a friend of us.
So what was the purpose? Why did you do that? For?
Just for fun.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now I can use.
You can't use it. So wait, how do you date now? So you can't use Tinder. Do you use, what are other apps people use here?
You don't need it.
You don't need, you're like, I don't need to date, or I don't need apps. Cool. Well, it's nice to meet you all. Have a great night. See y'all. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, there's hookah. Oh, there's actually hookah right here. Should we hookah, y'all? Hello.
Hi.
Hello. You speak English?
Yes.
Is this hookah, right?
Yes.
Can I see the flavors?
Yes, of course.
Hawaii, tropicale, mango, and strawberry.
Which one is your favorite?
I Hawaii.
Hawaiian? Maybe I'll try something new. Hawaii is good. Okay, we'll sit here. All right, I'm excited. How are you two? How are y'all?
Fine. What
Good.
about you?
I'm good, good. I'm doing a live stream, but it's on me. I do this thing on Twitch.
Which? Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
What's your name on Twitter?
Just apple juice.
Okay, and hookah.
Oh, furries! Whoa. Okay, we'll take a picture. We'll do some picture with furries here. Hey. Hi. Hello. Matt, what's your name? Paco. Paco, what's your name? Tyler. Tyler. Paco. Sarani. We are friends. Oh, nice. Whoa. I like that. I like that. Okay. What is that? Is that a special stone?
It's an amethyst.
And by the way, I just noticed your tattoo. What
It's
is
fake.
It's a fake. I was gonna say, I was like impressed because getting a tattoo right there would be excruciatingly painful. I feel.
I have some.
That is long. Oh, I would love to see your artwork. You have some artwork you want to show us? Y'all, she's got some artwork she's gonna show us.
I just need
So she's got a car. That's awesome. I love that you like art. Oh, we gotta see some more stuff. She's got more she wants to show us. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Alcoholics don't get far. Y'all see that? I love it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Alcoholics don't get far. Talk to me while I'm sleeping. Hold me while I'm dreaming. Please don't go, please don't go. I love you so, I love you so. Please break my heart. Oh, we got a rose. Wow. No, I'm
Thank you.
Thank you though, man. I'm blushing. I appreciate that. I didn't know you felt that way about me, buddy. So, I'm blushing. Oh, that's good. That's really good, y'all. Hawaiian is good. Why is this slipping so much? Remind me your names again? Elio? Shinichi. By the way, I gotta tell you, we've had people meet on Twitch. We have two different sets of couples that are in my chat right now that met on Twitch. Yeah, it's crazy. It's actually pretty cool.
I met my best friends on Twitch Live.
Wow, that's amazing. Y'all leaving? It's nice to meet you. It's very nice to meet you. Yeah, yeah. See y'all. This hookah is really freaking good. Simply's having a good time. Actually, let's keep it for Simply. Hey.
Story. Don't let anyone take your story, for this is part of your destiny. In God's plan for the redemption of humanity. Learn your story. You must learn your own story, or someone else will take your glory.
All right, let's go. This is amazing. Amazing hookah, but I want to take y'all to the church. Thank you very much. It was great. Nice to meet y'all. Have a great night. Okay, I think what we do is we walk around here for a bit longer and we head back to the cathedral area. I definitely want to see that area at night and show you guys the area at night as well. Yep, okay, right here. Here we go, here we go. The moment we've all been waiting for. Look at this, y'all, wow. Third largest church in all of Europe. Took 579 years to construct. Has 3,400 statues in it. Worth the wait, in my opinion. Well worth the wait. There it is, there she is. The Duomo, the Milano Duomo at night. It is definitely prettier at night even. It was pretty during the day, don't get me wrong, but it's even more pretty at night for some reason. So we'll look at it from the outside, but it's so pretty. All right, y'all. This was an amazing stream. I loved every single moment of it. We had some dancing, we had some music, we saw sights, we saw sounds, we saw it all. Thank you so much. See y'all next time.